Ekuthula kwendleni umfana kagama lo. Welcome to Moza Music, a platform where we react to the music ukucula kwa. Well, let's break down our and get the message behind the song. We give positive feedback, we inspire others. Basically, we post non-toxic Zion content. Bazalwane is reaching towards the end of the year. Ngiyangazi ukuthi mina ngishaya ngaziphi. I'm always reacting. But today, I'm having you one. And I also have been saying ukuthi I don't do interviews, bakale exclusively. So, I have my team. So abangaziyo every time I will always post Ingoni FM. Some people will wonder ukuthi yini kahle kahle Ingoni FM. So namhlanje ke angihambi ngi1 nginama guest. Batabadala, I could say my friends but not really my friends. Like kahle kahle it's a thin line, yabo. Just need to be careful ukuthi mara. So I will let them introduce themselves. I'm going to introduce abantu ngikhulume enough nje this year right. So ngokuya kwabo bazas introduce ke kancane kancane. My guests.
Yes, sir.
How are you, sir?
I'm doing well in yourself.
Hayi. So ngabulisa ke abantu ababukeli lapha ekhaya bakwazi ukuthi ubani udume ngani.
Okhulumayo Pastor Musa wakambatha osebenzela Ingoni FM kulolo hlelo leli Engaging Life where life matters. Ngiyajabula ukuba nawe la namhlanje Jupiter.
For sure nami ngiyajabula ukuba nawe. Final ukuze. So ngihamba nomama naye mama uzosintroduce abazalwane.
Thank you so much. Sanibonani balandeli nababukeli baka Jupiter kwiZion platform. Lona okhulumayo Senior Pastor Xundu lona osebenza kwingoni FM kulo hlelo lolabathi Engaging Life. La esinaye khona Jupiter.
Ayike nazwela ke. Oh number 3 ke. Hayi nazo introduce zokuba ngishila ngizingeni. Baba on the far end.
Yes sir. No, shalom abazalwane okhulumayo ke uPastor Chris wakaHadebe osebenzela ke i-radio station abiza Ingoni FM izwi labantu uhlelo lethu Engaging Life where life matters.
Where life matters. So, njengoba ngisho bazalwane, it's not really about interviews. I'm not really a fan of interviews. So, we just want to have normal and basic discussion as to how we started to la esikhona namhlanje. Again, angidrive leskepe lesi. Ngaba yi1 mara ngikhulu 1. Sibani. So, mina yami indaba izoba la. Awuthi ngiqale ngeyami. D4 engena lapha. Guys, I just started this platform because umntana nomfundisi and I just bengazi. Right, so I just started the platform because I was like, I wanted to contribute something in Zion. You know, you have goals, you have dreams. Ngoba kumusa kaNkulunkulu, I met these wonderful people, and yeah, mangakutshela ukuthi how everything transpired from la. Ongathi ngamanga. So, ngithema ngiqala the YouTube channel started growing. The first person that I met was this man. Wangilanda TikTok, what you put, I don't care who says what. Niggas on my number. I thought he was joking. I got joke. So before mina ngithi ngifuna naye asho ukuthi okay. Kuzabone mina lo ngicontact why? Uthi musa kuze ungicontact why?
Hey, ngaba ngibuza kudala le question le. Bingelele futhi no, it was a simple thing. You know, mangabe ukwazi ubona ube neso yento ubona ukuthi lo mlilo lo ukhona but udinga nje ukuthi nje ublossom kahle. So I noticed ukuthi khona into ekhona ku just ukuthi need a little bit of fire ukuthi umlilo wakho uqhume. So hence I contacted you.
Yes,
And if you remember exactly, I took you saya in my church where you met abantu oba admire you, even my bishop. So that's where Laleli, where Zion Music platform journey to know Jupiter started. Before we even introduced him, we Engaging Life.
For sure.
Yeah.
Which was, hey guys, it was insane, hey? For sure, this Blossom Akulmanga is me speaking Zulu kakhulu because bakhathele bathi ngikhuluma isiLungu kakhulu and angenzi ngamabomu guys, angenzi ngamabomu. Nah, Pastor Kundu, same thing. From my point of view, when you saw this channel, what went through your mind?
Yo, I was so inspired to me by this young man that is so vibrant. You understand? Who is not actually showing to the world izinto zomhlaba, but you are busy, showing people izinto zesonto, babonisa abantu ukuthi nali ibandla leli so. And what I liked about you is that you are not only concentrating on one church as such. You are actually you tourist lamazayona. Ithi ngibeke kanjani. Ngoba khona lapho engathi mangubona khona nami before kodwa umusa ezokuintroduce. Yes. Mangubona nami ngithi hayi man. Kanti usonta lo mfana I got so confused yabona ngoba kule ngithi ngivula iTikTok ngokubona usebandleni so. Ngivula iTikTok so ule bandla leli eliso. Yabona until I met you and then got to know ukuthi what exactly are you doing?
Yabona guys, I'm putting myself in twain. Last but not least, listen, ngathi ngasonto phambi kwecamera Zoom. Yabona this last man ne mina ngikhule ngazi ngayibeka kanjani. Guys, there are certain people that you admire and there are certain churches that you admire. Right? This last man ozosho ukuthi maka wontshanela mbe kanjani la akhoza khona kirebona. And ngidinga autograph kwa wonke umuntu ngisaphethe iCD la khonza khona lebandla ngifuna wonke umuntu asayine. Pastor Chris,
Yes, sir.
what went through your mind when you first saw my channel?
Yeah, no, it's always nice, man, ukubona young people bathanda ukukholwa.
Yes.
Or isonto laseZayoni, sikhule isonto laseZayoni lithathelwa phansi kakhulu.
Yeah.
Isonto nje organized. When you bring that thing kushow yakho the organized part of the church, from the music point of view, with how do they sing, paying attention to our dictions, notations of the songs, and then we realize that okay, this guy is coming with something, because we're a musical church in Chima Zayoni. We will love singing. So must be want to ngiyakthanda lokhu cule kahle lesonto leli leze kahle. It's positive attitude, and that's why I say let's tune in to Peter and start to uplift him naye certainly to as a stage say to Cape Pro sat no ukubona partner nawe, and then that's where we are right now.
But that's where we are right now. So I guess everyone has spoke their piece ukuthi how they got to where they were to me. Now, the next formal part ukuthi it's in and then fast forward a couple of months, I phone uPutmus. My guy ngikuhlangana nawe meeting. Ngasikhathi anginamali. Ngithi I time abheka bayangibiza nalo ngifuna ukuhamba, and then my dad was like hayi akunankinga senze iplan sit. And then this part uyuke uPastor Mbatha uzosho ke ukuthi bokwenzakalani and what and the thought process and everything. Pastor Mbatha,
Yes.
over to you two from the meeting yaphambili.
Okay. Ngizoyiqala lapha eqale khona before ngibiza meeting.
Ngakya
Actually, we were embarking on a project, still on it. Engabe already isiqalile due to busy bethu. It's depending kancane. This whole thing actually, I give gratitude. I believe the team is ovuma. Good, we give gratitude to First Lady we Trust in Christ. Osisi Nhlanhla Gama no Babu Gama.
and ahlobananga. Guys, angibazi labantu. Yekelani ukungibuza angimazi but I've never met him. We are not related. Amen. Sibongo fan. Thank you.
So it was on the 21st of June. Was invited with conference Yabo, Imperial Hall. So we were there to present what we coming up with to all the youth as Zion, basically in terms of academical wise. Yabo, the project le melisi kalile. So when they got on that event, the corner station manager ne team yonke Ingoni FM. So yeah, they interviewed Pastor Chris while they were busy with me aside. So we made a formal meeting whereby we met. They discussed with us which bafisa ukwenzani ishube neshow ekanje, but konke bakunikeza yithi okunye uma uzoqhubeka nayo. So from there ilapha eqale khona uhlelo abathi engaging live. Mama uzochaza nokuthi ize kanjani ukuthi engaging live. So Saqala ukusakaza officially, it was on the 3rd of July. Kona kulo nyaka 2025. With I think masiqala besina about 68 listeners. Currently we are sitting in more than 600. So yeah, all by God's grace.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, as Pastor Mbata asho ukuthi Tina, when we had a meeting with you, ibingakaveli lento ye-engaging life.
Really?
No, ibingakaveli. We had a meeting with you for a different project, right?
Yes.
So my two guys went to get to the in between invitation as a trust. Mina, I got a call. Mangithola i-call ngiyithola from ku-Pastor Mbata. Mama, hey, ngathi izinto sezizothena around manje. Kwenze njani? Kwi, angishuthele uPastor Chris. Nangu uPastor Chris sengibona ivideo. Hawu uPastor Chris uphethe usemicini. Yabona ngithi ayi ngizake ngizwe la. Okay, fast forward. We had a meeting on, I think it was on a Monday.
Monday, yeah.
On a Monday, we had a meeting together. We met here face to face. Bayayithulula ke indaba ukuthi hayi sekunento enje. Ngithi mina no, let's go for it. Yeah,
For sure.
Yeah, let's go for it. And then we sat down there, we started to brainstorm ke manje to see ke manje ukuthi okay, this is what they want. And then and if I recall, Pastor Chris uzo elaborate on that. He mentioned ukuthi we don't want to come to that station ngoba siyama pastor bese sizovula inkonzo because there are so many radio stations that are doing inkonzo. So we want to be different.
Yes.
But again, no, we don't have a problem. That's when we sat down, Sasisia decided, okay, let's look at what is it that we're going to be giving to the listeners. Which direction are we taking it? Because everybody is coming in, kuvulizwi. I mean, you know, you get what I mean? Yeah, that's when we said, okay, let's now engage with people with things that people are not given a chance, or rather they don't have a chance, or they are scared to talk about them in the church, you know, vicinity. So laba zoba free khona ukuthi masiletha ama topic anje. No, and as well as pastors, sesiyakwazi ukuthi umuntu olimele sikwazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu asipha amandla bese ayalapheka ngale show yethu. And then we looked at names. You know, we said and looked at names. Yeah, very engaging is the one that came now, you know, and said, we said, no, this is there's a real meaning of what we are going to be doing. Because this is what we're doing. We're engaging with people.
For sure.
Yeah. No. It's a great thing. When Peter, ukuthi yena masicabanga, we make sure we take it by a very spiritual show.
Yes.
But very intense. That's why we have topics there. The structure said to we are here to uplift people's mind. Spirituality is going to be done as on Sunday, but on Thursday we're just uplifting your mind, transforming the way you think. So you can show it. It's more engaging.
Yes.
In a sense, because we just want to change the attitude about. And they keep the narrative ukuthi amaZayoni they organize all these things. See, keep the narrative with the clap and tap. They are not church. Because ngokuhlangana nomcula liyakhonza. You understand? You might be not have no structure to assembling, but actually niyacula. Niyasonta, amen. So sabizi clap and tap to come in place. Sabizi amaZayoni. So we started that show kanjalo nje. But most of the thing, as you react to the songs, we play the songs.
Yes.
You react, we play. So kanjalo ke stage saqala ke manje they start recognizing us. But we always have meetings because we have this attitude we know nothing.
Yes.
We run the two of us as people who just know nothing. We want to learn more. That is why we have meetings and discuss and debate among ourselves. This is gonna go, this is not gonna go. You know, because remember, we came in here with no experience of radio.
Yes, sir.
But an experience of preaching the word of God.
Yes.
So we combine that, and then that's what we have right now. Engaging life.
It is insane to really talk about it. And you know, I like the word engaging life. Remember that on the social, what works a lot is engagement. More umuntu uyangena ukuthi okay, this month ngibambe so. But also another thing that I pick up is that we are very different. Like very, very different. Mina mangiza into the space of YouTube. mind you, I feel I do dancing as a living. So it has always been a thing of we live in a time where everyone is the same now. People want to do into one. And I was like, no, we can't. Let's have something different, because when something is different, people will get drawn
Yeah,
to
they
it.
get curious.
Because they're like,
Yes,
okay,
yeah.
Zile, what is it? So I feel like engaging life is different, because I've heard certain topics and I've been there a studio with you guys, and I'm like, sikhuluma ngezinto that are so different, and the things that we should actually be talking about
Exactly.
besides izwi kuphela, because
Yes.
uke washo mama ukuthi yazi uzokufika esontweni umuntu apreach but uyimise lento le, because now umuntu uenjoy isonto but lento aze ngayo hasn't been solved yet.
Solved, yeah.
So ngama-Thursday bese uyafika uthola engaging lalela but lezumuzwa ke upastor Mbatha ke lapha emuva athi hayi no mama ngiyakuzwa semva ukuthi usuka ezwini. So in terms of being different, yini lezo nto happens and go like, you know what, we don't want to do this like this, but we want to try this. And also, wasn't it scary? Because I know it was. Listen, I respect to Zion. Zion is a very, very sensitive place. And I always say, Wabantu, you must be mindful of how you approach people. So, about different and being scared of trying something different, what was going through your mind at the time?
Okay. Lento le, since we are all pastors, akumelanga uqala ujwayele i-pulpit. Awungeni ebukhoneni kaNkulunkulu ngokujwayela. Same applies to masizongena kule platforms sikhuluma nabalaleli. Awungeni ngokujwayela ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukukhuluma. Hence masoqala i-show, always we pray.
Yes.
Masizoba nama meeting, always we pray, because lento le iqala uNkulunkulu sinokuthi ukuthi ayike kuphela yethu. So yeah, it gets scary in a sense ukuthi even after a show we like, you know, kwenzakaleni, because amanye ama-topics esike sibe nawo abalaleli mabafone or the SMSs or WhatsApp esiwatholayo akwenza ukuthi ushift to what you are now, transform ukuthi understand okanye kube kule situation awusicatheleni salo muntu, and you realize ukuthi no kuningi okwenzakalayo la ngaphandle. Hence mongalalela most of our topic ethu azangena again to the following week kumele siqhubeke nawo,
because
kuthiwe kuyenye into. So to answer your second question ukuthi yini into enza ukuthi kube different, leke lathi izwi kuma Philippians ukuthi kumele sikhonzane ngezipho. So into yokuqala ukukhonzana ngezipho, ukuthi omunye uyazi ukuthi omunye i-strong point yakhe kuphi kanjalo yabo. So but always stay humble kukho konke. You stay humbled. So umehluko kanje, we make sure ukuthi mangabe sikhulume kakhulu in a month, the following month kumele sibe nama guests to detox yabo. uNkulunkulu wasithemba kakhulu eshowini yethu ukuthi abantu esibabizayo abantu abavumayo and abantu should I say abadumile abazwayo abaningi babagcina TV. So lento esize ngayo bayithemba bayithanda, so sakwazi ukubaletha.
Mama.
Yeah, I think one other thing enza ukuthi sihluke is because asilinganisi umuntu. Yeah, we're not imitating anyone. Yeah, we're coming as we are. As Pastor Chris ashilo ukuthi with no experience in radio, but believe you me, our first show, I'm telling you, we actually looked at each other and pinched each other. But is it us? Is this us? Even the guy who's our producer said, Nina Manga, Nina, there is no way we first time you know, but you run so smooth. Yeah, basically logo no kuzahambisha nje kuNkulunkulu as uPastor Mbatha esho ukuthi konke sicela kuye ukuhlakanipha asenze ukuhlakanipha kwethu. Kodwa whatever topic esiza nayo sicela kuye ukuthi baba le topic njoba sizoyithumela ebantwini, it's because we know. So ke mina ke futhi ngisizwa nayi background yami ye psychology enginayo yabona iyo ke nami engisizayo ukuthi okay can I also just have an input ebantwini without yabona ama psychologists they are very expensive to win. I'm not a psychologist by the way, disclaimer, I'm not a psychologist but I did applied psychology exhumana ne-education as I was doing ama studies from the education. I did applied psychology. Yes.
Levels. Pastor Chris.
Yeah, I think it different too. One of the things we're getting there. And I've said this thing before, we show God doesn't hold anybody to account who's not responsible.
Yes.
You have to be responsible for God to hold you to account.
Yes.
So isho yethu uyabona kuma talk shows or radio, find babies about politics to come in and say their things and say their stories. But we say to our leaders, you have to account to those people. So when you call you, they ask questions to hold you to account. So that you be responsible for your pet. Yeah, because it is
it's not.
It's not it is about a marketing system. We're not marketing these things, but we are living the word through the radio now. So corner, interview them, ask them some question. Why are you doing this? What's make you to do such a thing?
Yes.
Why is you runner in this fashion?
What helps you?
What makes you different? Kanjalo ke kuba lula ukuthi nathi as a stage sikwazi ukubhekana siyi4 sithi but what are you doing this way? Why are you doing this way? We hold each other to account. Then we are going to succeed. So sekuncane sikwenzayo but step by step we are getting there. We're not there yet, but
we are getting there.
But
not immediately, but definitely.
Yes.
And I've also noticed, Uguti, I think we all somehow we share the same goal.
Yeah.
Like somehow it just came together because then I'm being Kalela on my platform. And now what we are doing, I'm like, this is what I want. Now which is I want to talk about something. Some people are a bit touched by it. Some would say, hi, but we one Mina, I want to Uzayoni to grow more than just what it was. Because Mina, because Mina mangkula njobe ngisho ukuthi Uzayoni besimuzwe. So when I started this channel, it was also one of my goals, which I don't know how, but my point is to try and get Uzayoni back to radio, back to what it was, and people understanding ukuthi Uzayoni kahle kahle yini. Yes, singakhuluma about the spiritual part. That's where you guys come in. Mina sengikhulumela in terms of artistry because I'm alive. Me, umsebenzi wami ngihlala phansi bump ikhani black. Yeah, sure ngoma. So, is it the same thing? Or it's just a coincidence? Ukuthi it's happening or what? Because I'm Pelatina, it's not too spiritual. We say coincidence.
Yeah.
When benifuna nayo wayifuna then like that. Let's come together. Say family.
Yeah. Like lathi iBhayibheli thina singayihlela indlela but God decides. Okwethu kuloko kushoyo sike sathi ngilanga masoqala le new project ukuthi we cannot help everyone but lapho sikhona ukufinyelela khona usizo makusizakale umuntu. Siyafisa ubona uzalwane wethu ukhula ngendlela esimanga kulama department ukuthi kumele afunde Uzayoni ukuthi agcine ku pulpit nasekuzungezeni. At the end of the day kumele sibe academical, kumele siyofunda.
Exactly.
Imfundo sikhathele babona laba abanye ngibasha abanye nabanye ukuthi imfundo itholakala kubo kuphela. Nathi kumele sithi masimile namajazi to get recognized and respected. Not only Uzayoni, even iClap and Tap.
Yes.
Hence sikwaze ukubiza abantu abanjengo Bishop uVusi Khatebe with the mighty singers ukuthi naye as a on board. So ukuthi sifuna ukuthatha these genres Uzayoni na Clap and Tap sibabeke lapho sokhona khona sibabeke. You understand? asukuthi sicekelela phansi abanye abantu other churches ofuna ukusizwa we are here
Yeah, we are here.
no but at the end of the day we want to leave a mark ukuthi guys you did it
Yes.
you know where there must be someone who will tell the tale
There must be
ukuthi
someone.
kuka khona labantu abanje I mean bayiqalile abo professor uMM Shabalala indlela till date so this is a relay makhona umunye ophethe stick must give omunye aqhubeke indlela zizohlukana zona but at the end of the day igoal iwa achievement
Yeah, no, I think I mean, I think I'll go back to the question that you asked. Ukuthi, is this a coincidence? Ukuthi Tina, we're doing this and now we're rolling.
Yes, man.
Yeah, because I think after you came to visit our church, kwakhona ngiba interested to say about TikTok wakho senya ma video what before.
Yes.
I think I did come across a video la vele ukhuluma ngendaba kaZayoni. Yes. Ukuthi uZayoni akasanikwa i-platform.
No.
Yes, akasanikwa i-platform ku media. Yabona. So yeah, I think ilona yakho njoba kade wena ula ukhona. Thina ngithi besingekho kahle kahle lapho but icishe ifane lento besifuna ukuyenza. However it was not radio. Yabona? Yeah, it wasn't radio. But i-aim yethu yileyo Pastor Musa I mentioned ukuthi aim yethu kwakuloko True Media but it was not we didn't look at the radio. I-radio we never thought actually ukuthi singaze siye via radio. Yabona yeah to take this through. Yeah, but I think uNkulunkulu somehow uyayenza indlela Jupiter yokuthi uma kukhona ophethe umbono wakhe lapha kube khona omunye ophethe umbono wakhe lapha enze ukuthi anixhumanise yabona yes ukuze lo mbono wenze njani ukuze lo mbono bese uyahamba yabona bese lo mbono lo uyahamba ngoba imibono kuseyethu kodwa kaNkulunkulu for the fact ukuthi mawuhleli bese uyashayeka yabona with what is going around it's not you that is talking it's the Spirit of God that is touching you with what are you doing with this situation.
Was really very touched. Pastor Chris, were you touched?
Yeah, no, I'm not sure about being touched because I was not following you that much. You were quite.
Siyabona why amaviews angakhuphuki. Pastor Chris akabukeli.
I was not following you that much until I saw you reacting on one of our songs in my church, and I start seeing you. But same time when you ring Pastor but already said he's spoken to you. Oh, okay, and we can meet you. But izinto ukhokha ikhodi uthikana in love everything starts from the beginning. The beginning has to be care. So if you care for people, you meet nabo and connect. Umuntu ongathanda abantu kunzima ukconnecta nabantu. So meet I one, I just knew this boy is going somewhere. Because of love in nature yethu. Now ukuthi yakwazi ukuba umfundisi njengobathanda abantu.
Yes, definitely.
Ulifakelana ukholo.
Definitely.
Love people ngokudila ngabantu.
Yes.
So into angibona ngathi nje it was just have to happen. You know, it's just God. It was God's call.
Hayi but God's plan mina ngumuntu we hip hop mina. Yo, like listen. Hey,
So it's the hip hop.
yes. And you know the crazy part ne umuntu makangena ku TikTok yami and then abona TikTok yami and then they come back they like hayibo. Kanti Peter, I'm like, what do you mean? Why down with I know. That's what you guys know me for. Yeah, well, but there's actually more to that. Njengoba ngisho, this channel's a reactor as well.
Yes.
So namhlanje, it's not gonna be a long video or anything. Njengoba nje ithi mina ngifuna ukuzwa from their side ukuthi bona bazwa ini kanjani nani. So kunebandla la I don't know what it is mina nganje I go on YouTube I go to a certain church it could be our Zion Music it could be Zion Nation it could be Indoni Production just go there ngiya scroller pause whatever video ngiclickayo yi video ngizoreacta kuyo so okay namhlanje into encanyana nje bathi well I picked two
Okay.
Because upastor Chris lokashlela athi awukakayenzi ngiyayifuna ngathi ngizoyenza I'm not sure but ngizoyenza.
Yeah.
So siphethe uZayoni neTap and Tap.
Alright.
So sine house of worship ngizongixolela bazalwane nani niyazi ukuthi isiZulu yeah. So siphethe house of worship Bible Church
Yeah.
lithi luyeza olusha losizi.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
So mina into engizoyenza am I recording? I am. Into engizoyenza just play ingoma maybe in the middle just a good minute or so. Mina ngifuna ukuzwa from nini because you guys have been here longer than me.
Yes.
Just because sebayakhula hey sine experience lendlebe lezi lalela. So ingoma ngi fast forward to 1 minute and 58 seconds. We don't know what to expect nami yaqala ukizwa ngizobaqala ukuyilalela nami. So into engizoyenza I'll just play the song out loud and bazokuzwa bakuzwayo. So njengoba ngishilo 1 minute and 58 seconds to 240. So ni ready.
Sure.
Yeah.
Nakia, and but my job is easy. But hi Jupiter when I pega le nto ngithi hey kunzima sab hey. So ke manje already yeah I'm trying to director nina ke. So
Okay.
ofila ngathi uyizwile lento ayizwile so uzovula indlela ke.
So okay, House of Worship Bible Church. One should know which ibandla lasempumalanga.
Yabo?
Ibandla lasempumalanga.
Experience.
Yeah, eMiddelburg indlu enkulu yakhona. Ibandla mangaphosisi lina less than 5 years likhona. Just because angikhohle nje bishop wakhona uThubane, but into engithanda ngeHouse of Worship bathe mabafika into the space they made a mark.
Hayi. Yo.
They made the mark in the sense which last year they were nominated Nagu Crown Gospel Awards.
Yes.
Yeah, we ate the Crown Gospel Awards. They were nominated. As an of winner, maybe their next album, which it will be their second project, was we and I. Okay, good ngoma lokuthi Solanda ngimsebenzi yethu esiyenzile. They were preparing umlindelo wesenyonini.
This guy.
So mongalandelela nje kubona 3 things engithandayo nabo.
Yeah.
Diction yabo on point.
Alale.
Notation yabo on point. Leader yabo ngiyayithanda big time. Themkosi big up bra. Leader yabo ayigcwali all over. Like uhleli.
What hold on. You see these are the things that I pick up. Uthi akagcwali all over. What do you mean by that?
I mean, my leader, we are introducer. Linda, choir ingena. You get into a space like Ibeka mele hambe now. Get into a space. First tenor mele ihambe kanye ne choir high ten kanjalo nje.
10 go. What did Hi yeah, Pastor Kunta.
Yeah, as Pastor Mbata ashilo nami into engithanda ngale bandla when you're listening to them singing like it's like ngathi bathi what was away ngathi kuno conduct ngathi yes there's somebody that is conduct or conduct over conductayo they are not, and if you're looking especially in this video that you just showed us they are not even looking at each other
They don't.
but look at the by hand over yabona ngena lo kungena lo and then ke mina ke into engishaya umxhwele ke ngapha ibhesi yabo I don't care kune lalela siyahleba kunebandle bengicamuline brace
Nami yavuna.
kodwa laba bese ne staccato ingoma zabo as much as kodwa kune staccato
Now, to abantu abangazi what is that?
staccato Staccato is when you.
Oh, sorry.
When there's that rhythm.
But it's three step.
Hey.
Pastor Chris, I know this is not your territory, it's unfamiliar to you, but as umuntu obuya sahleba futhi.
Yeah, love.
Lapho.
Love, yes.
Yes, phela nina nisethe the bar.
Yeah.
I don't know, but yeah, I've listened to Igoma Yabuju Wimvla, kind of use on much. But what is good about it is that it sound, yeah, they're sounding very well. So it's nice when the choir sound the same. I pick up that their sound. Jobashi Mama bass, it's intact. Bass was not to clean door. It's perfect when you sing that way. Diction wise, it's straightforward.
Yeah.
The last vowels, you can hear them, which is really, really, really perfect in choir. The structure I saw the structure. Jubusho Amakam, it's local structures and the meaning we're a spiritual church, so that's totally quiet. It's so beautiful, it's sweet, and it's time signature. You see, it's food when we are food.
Yes.
It's food is not for the time signature. So it's food is to tempo yengoma ihambe so ungafuthi all over and messing up with rhythm yengoma the time signature the timing yengoma then iba poor because of that, so it's future perfect.
Nizizwele the legends Zayoni have spoken. Giri, listen. Mina so because I'm a music lover. You see, I want to find about Pastor Mbata. They can break down but you would lay voice by lay. Mina as umuntu onga for me naga into one do I end up moving? That's the whole point. But I've always had this belief because as a dancer, angithi when you dance to or when you feel a particular song because it's in a certain nerve. Good. That's why it makes you feel a certain way. It makes you move. Yeah, but so number 2, yeah. I think I'm not sure, but I think Pastor Mbata okay. Cause when now he's training and you know and you've been in the singing space. Is it the church or is it the choir? Because mina ukuhluleka ukuhlukanisa because I most come for instance ngisaZion right eZion ukuhlukaniswa nge-mass choir you will hear that ukuthi no it's a mass choir kodwa makuyibandla straightforward so manje for thina we are not part of ihlebenta or ebangazi is it the church or is it the choir?
70% ama-choir, 30% amasonto. Like Hupetehile Egababu Ali, it's a church choir, but Magyo record choir. Magyo performer choir, but it's a church Hupetehile gospel choir.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie. The choir church, that's the only difference that I still need to get to, which is in the choir is the church. I think Nami, I have to dive deeper into it. But Elijah, I'm sorry. Tuma Mina. Now, again, same thing. During a house of worship Bible church, just gonna play just a couple of seconds. And the Damana expect to Pastor Mbata. I don't so, fast forward, Spabambe go enter. See it? Right.
Okay.
Whoa. Before you dive, because when you over dive, you sheer man, just get the training.
Yes.
Also playing a whole now got like whoa. Whoa. Humming.
Yeah. Yes.
I think people sometimes just don't focus. I don't know. But but I feel like what I like about most songs is just the humming part. It's not about the words, but it's just that coordinates ekhona nje angazi or maybe yimi one. According to you, mom, when uyizwe kanjani le?
Yeah, ihaming yabo yenza wena olalele or oyi-audience yabo. Yabo? To start now focusing ukuthi oh, okay, so we are here to worship. Yes, we actually here to worship. Yeah, because ukuhamisha kuthini kubiza ukuthi sesiyazendlala manje. Asisamemezi ngokwazi kwethu. Yabo? Sekubiza umoya oyingcwele ngaleso sikhathi. Bathandela lokho nje.
Pastor Kiswana.
Yeah, no, interesting because we must remember, Jupiter, when you're singing Ikulo, our notes will change.
Yes.
So humming, the notes must remain.
Yes, they remain the same. Yes.
So you can pick up together. Shoot mababuya na. Babule notes. We stick to that notes when you know they sing words. So I've picked up with the okay, they are sticking to the key about and to the and they so it's always perfect that way. So clapping on the hands it create assist the rhythm and make them remain to the note ababuyo. So it's perfectly done. When I'm a musician, so I'm the interpreter in the music point. Not interpreted culture, but in terms of how they started the song. I didn't hear the start, but I know which part the notes are right, and they're going to end up in the right notes. So you see, humming remain the same.
It does, and I feel like that is consistent. Well, I'm sorry guys, my English song be sing, I don't care. I said come for me, go to Zion, listen, I don't think people understand how powerful Zion music is. Like I don't ngokutshela abantu ngithi mawufuna ukubona Zion yemncwabeni. Khohla is church service must go to the funeral and uzobona.
Yeah.
Manje ke Pastor Mbatha mina ngiye question yami. Is clapping equivalent to his foot to go clap and nah.
They give a beat. Ungasho ukuthi equivalent.
Really?
The pace. Yabo? Ukuthi ngithi nokukhona ukuthi kwenzeka ukuthi umuntu aqale iculo bese laba abazongena bangene slow. Then umuntu ofuthayo uyobabuyiselayo. Same nala. Clapping offense yabo. The minute umuntu eqala bazoqala naye ngaze aqala slow mara bafile ukuthi yabo sele yaqala masebeniki rhythm. Ingoma manje ukuthi ihambe kanjani.
I might tell you secret Maland. Clap and tap introduce a singing style. I think manje seba ku third level mangaphazama. Introduce Bishop Vusi Radebe. Now with that level yabo bacula instrumental meaning a band. They can sing the same song with a band.
Oh yeah.
The second level yabo bese bacula ngani ngamakhajiso yabo negroup bebalapha njengoba sebafika kwi-band based on ingoma lena ne Chuma Mina yelijwe under Uchauke.
Guys, spread it dictionary. Working Wikipedia.
Under Uchauke. Ngaqala ukuzwa becula uLebo Matlo letsinga yelijwe. Sebakshilo konke, I mean, keep the pace, keep the tempo. Still nanomgo humming mele sizwe ukugibela phekwa amanothi yathola but into kumele yazi nge-clap and tap abantu abayilidayo the freestyle abafani naseZion whereby uhamba ngeline where makunama space uyangena bona baya freestyle like they fly.
The songs about you,
you know, and abafani naseZion thina siyakutuna, you have to stay in a certain level. I-clap and tap baya screamer note, you know, R&B style. So yeah, kushe bakave konke in terms of lengoma le Chuma Mina.
Hey guys, bangihlulile emsebenzini wami. Ya no bangishaya 10-0. Bengathi yibo balalelisa mina bese bayangitshela ukuthi skip up on my want. All right, now moving on to the last part of this whole thing. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi, yeah, it's a conversation. Nalezo zama-interview azona I mean, I like doing things different. So manje mina ngifuna ukwazi from kini ukuthi ama-highlights for Ingoni FM engaging life bokuyi. Mina ngicambela manje. Listen, mina when I saw some of these people in person, ne? The craziest thing, mangizoya across. Obviously, makangaka ngilalanga lokde. I was like, no, mangilangazi. Yeah, because mind you, I grew up watching these people on TV. So me having to see them and saying, I know we like what you do, I was like, maybe she's trying to buy face like Baba too. Like, I met this person, and I was like,
Yeah.
it's insane. And then it kept going. That's when I know good guys. So for you, in engaging life, what has number one, what has it brought to you? Has it exceeded your expectation? And where do you see engaging life going from here?
Yeah. Hey, ngicela ukugcina nje.
Already, and feeling at a pendula.
No, Mina, I think it has exceeded my expectation because njengoba ngisho ukuthi uma siqala, you know, we just threw ourselves nje kahle kahle, to be honest. We threw ourselves and said, okay, let's go.
See,
Yeah, come.
so
Let's go. So I think the way first episode yethu ikhike ngakhona yiyo edetermine ukuthi sihamba ngayiphi pace. We did not start at a very low note.
No.
Yeah, we didn't start at a low note. So we actually surprised ourselves ngenote esiqale ngayo with no experience ye-radio. But sathuswa abantu be-radio station bethuka beqala nabo uthola inamba yama-listeners. Abantu abaqala ishow.
Yeah.
Oqala beqala ishow babe
Yeah.
nama-listeners
Crazy.
amaningi kangaka. So I think nje i-exceeding ngaloko nje, it was a surprise. And then going forward, ngibona uNkulunkulu nje ezosebenza ngale show, ngale stage nangale show. That's why sithanda ukuthi engathi kakhulu i-support singayithola ngempela
Following year.
yes, siyithole ngempela eZayoni. Sike sasho nakwenye platform lapho besi-interview khona sacela sathi siyayidinga i-support because without i-support yamabandla, because we want to reach, yes, we want to reach abantwana, i-youth esakhula. Asisho ukuthi emasontweni they are not doing enough. But what I'm saying is lento le yazifana nani, ifana nakwi-family situation. Ufanele angithi ngasengikhulumela ku-experience yami ngomsebenzi engiwenzayo. Umntwana uzoba ne-problem ekhaya, right? But angeke akwazi ukuya kuma-relatives because already the child knows ukuthi kwakhona la ku-family akuzwana, so angeke ayorepotela ifiki. But now the person azomtrusta uthisha.
Yes, someone who's outside
Yes.
from this place.
Yes, yabona. So we want to get thina ke ukuthi uNkulunkulu asiyuze in that platform ukuthi laba abangeke bakhone ukukhala kwindawo abakuzo. Yabona? Kodwa uma befika or noma belalele lo hlelo lethu bese babuye basiphe feedback ukuthi yes nathi nithi topic kanti nikhuluma nami.
Face, Pastor Chris.
Ama-highlights maningi.
Yeah.
It's very difficult. But then let's just say the last highlight we did is a road show to youth conference as a believers in Christ. It was very challenging, and then we tried to sort our own science, and it's looking beautiful. Seeing the Sibelina is a new gap, which again might do more on show as a radio, because already Kalapagati office cannot engage more. We're engaging show. So we need to go to people.
To go out.
So what show now? So now. But one of the things that you must know, it is hard to find good people.
It is.
It's difficult to find good people because abantu la ngaphandle bahead basebuhlungwini. You come to people's life, very difficult to tolerate the good people. But once you find the good one, you must keep them. So the bunch of people in Gabala, very nice people. So I'm lucky we have such people around us. So more highlight uzwabona.
I don't like.
Hey,
So on your side, yeah, Pastor
on my
Lwani.
side ngingasho nje ukuthi kokuqala nje uNkulunkulu already umsebenzi akawuqalile. Sekawuqalile and kuloko uPastor Chris akushoyo every Thursday it's a highlight.
Yes.
Every
It is.
Thursday. But I would like to specify special this one. Ma zisithatha khona uBishop Ending Tia as introduce incwadi yakhe. I'm highlighting that one because in cishe konke ama-platform ku-media space we were the first one ukuthi azo-introduce incwadi yakhe. Abanye abakayiboni akakayi kubo.
Submitted the first
You know, the first copy
Yes.
ibonwe yithi and we're the ones interviewed, so it's one of those highlights. And speaking nje uqeda ukuwina the award yayo le incwadi le ya Bangoni Bengo. So yeah, for best storyteller.
Yes.
So yeah, so kuloko kimi ngithi it's us.
It's us.
You know,
Yeah,
so
engaging.
yeah, where do we see ourselves in 5 years time? Njengoshilo ukuthi already uNkulunkulu uqalile umsebenzi. Sizibona siphekwa lokho sikukhona manje. uNkulunkulu asize sihlale sihumble singasuke ebukhoneni bakhe because ngaphandle komlaleli wakho nabe engaging life angeke senze lutho. Ngeke lapha esikhona, especially sibonga nalabo abasilalelayo all the way from China.
Yes. UK.
UK. Yeah, UK. Laba se UK ke bahlupha. Yeah. Bathi kukhumbule ekhaya.
Kumbuze ekhaya.
Athi amadoors azwile la esilungu
Ngisuke uyabazi. So wonke umlalelo olalela i-Engaging Life show. This is a talk show for
It is a talk show.
It's a family show.
Yes.
Manje uba uPastor Chris ashilo ukuthi abantu bathwele kanzima la ngapha. So the sister space ukuthi ungasondela nawe uzothola usizo. Nathi siyafunda. Nathi sike siphume ku show sindo sithi yazi God size sipha amandla. So yeah.
Hayi kunengoma ethi lean on me. Mara ningalini ngini Pastor Chris. Ngani.
Sure.
Hawu. So before we sibaleka semakhaya and everything, from you guys, what are the words that you often share, not just abantu bakuMoza and music,
Yeah.
but simkhulumela engaging life, because we are all interacting at the end of the day. So one, bangakuthola kuphi, and please guys ngasho ama number wenu do abantu bayahlupha la ngaphandle. Don't
Please,
please.
that's not my phone.
Please.
Yeah.
Even the social mayiphela phazi ukuthi angakuthola at least ku TikTok at but isho ukuthi umuntu angakuthola kuphi, and also what are your words to them uvala nje unyaka.
Okay. Umlezo wami engamnikeza umlaleli we Zion Music nowe Engaging Life usimple. Thandanani ngoNkulunkulu luthando. Without love angeke siphumelele. Ngoba amanye ama families are crooked because short on a source of love. So uthando nje into engihambisa kakhulu uthando. So message yami yilo ugcina. And again, sitholakala still, you can go to your Facebook page yethu yeIngoni FM, uzosithola lapho iNgoni FM izwi labantu uzosithola lapho, or ungasifonela ku 078 536 7746 satholakala. Mara uJobit sazishare ama number ne link ukuthi sitholakala kanjani every Thursday 6 until 9 we Engaging Life where life matters.
Ithi ngiphinde number uyiphazamile. 078 359 yes.
Wena
7746. Yes. Mina amagama engingawasho ukuthi umusa kaNkulunkulu wanele wonke.
Yes.
Yeah, irrespective of what you're going through, just know as a Pastor Musa sho ukuthi uNkulunkulu uluthando.
Always.
Wherever you are, with whatever you are suffering from, uzodlula akukho kungadluli.
Akukho kungadluli. Bathi akukho kungadluli.
Yes.
Pastor Chris.
Yes, thanks, Bishop Peter. No, My last word that I want to say, kumlaleli. I always say this already, and I'll say it here again. Pastor Mbata knows and Pastor Mpondo knows that I emphasize these things
All the time.
all the time because it affects me daily. So the Spirit of the Lord always flow upon the face of the deep. So in other words, whatever that started in your face, never started in your face. It's always started inside and become the reflection of your face. So always show your face, show greatness in your face. People can see that you're happy. If you show the downside, it always reflected on your face. Smile.
Very smile. Mina ke mongilalela ngivele ngithi boss. Those are bars like yes ngisimbe mayithi ngikwangi yiko ke lesikhuluma ngayo. Mina all I can say is when I started this and ngizoba blatantly honest with you guys. When I started this channel, first of all, I was unemployed. One. Secondly, I was questioning a lot of things. Ukuthi kahle kahle what do I want? And then I was like, you know what? Take a leap of faith and do it. Just take a leap of faith and do it. What I'm seeing now is years of thinking and you know, look procrastinate again. Don't you? You never know where it might lead you to. Buka mina ngokuhlezi nabantu abaserious. Phasa musambada. Unomntwana makasintroduce ebantwini. Athi mina nguyikhapha ubabayi. You understand? So, engakusho guys ukuthi ushilo pastor, love yourself. Thandanani uma mqundu utheni akukho okungadluli. Pastor Chris uthe yonke into oyibona la iqala la enhlizweni yakho. So sizobona ngawo ungahamba ngithola inkingi shabo h. So bazalwane, thank you very much guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for your patience throughout the year and yazini. I know it's been a while. Nga-react. Maybe I might not. Njenge ngisho in suspense, njenge action movie. So yo, ngihlezi ngisho in a favorite weight of who? Me, Street Jupiter. Mina I'm signing out. Now bazo sign out. Adios.
Signing out.
Thank you.